Hello viewers, welcome to the YouTube channel Roshni with Hina. Today I will discuss the topic how to improve communication skills in English. Introduction. Effective communication in English requires practice, patience and confidence. Start by greeting others with a smile and be open to learning from mistakes. Importance of good communication. Practice speaking in front of a mirror or with a native speaker. Expand your vocabulary by reading books and watching TV shows in English. Pay attention to your tone and body language. Common communication problems. Misunderstanding, cultural differences can lead to communication breakdowns. Lack of active listening can cause confusion. Poor body language can negatively affect the message being conveyed. Tips for improving communication skills. Speak slowly. Enunciate words clearly and use appropriate body language to convey confidence. Practice with native speakers or a language partner. Practice activities. Watch English movies and TV shows with subtitles. Join a conversation group or language exchange program. Read out loud and record yourself to improve pronunciation. Here are some tips to help you enhance your English communication skills. Practice regularly. Consistent practice is crucial. Engage in daily conversation, both written and spoken, to become more comfortable with the language. Expand your vocabulary. Read books, newspaper, and magazines in English. Use vocabulary apps and flashcards to learn new words. Note down unfamiliar words and their meanings. Listen actively. Pay close attention to native speaker, whether in movies, podcasts, or conversations. Focus on pronunciation, intonations, and cadence. Speak regularly. Engage in conversation with native speakers or other learners. Join English speaking clubs or groups to practice your speaking skills. Work on pronunciations. Record yourself speaking and compare it to native speakers. Use pronunciation guides and apps to improve your pronunciation. Use online language tools. Utilize language learning apps and websites like Duolingo, Babel, and Rosetta Stone. Join language exchange forums or apps to connect with native speakers. Grammar and syntax. Brush up on English grammar and sentence structure. Online resources and grammar checkers can help. Writing skills. Write essay, articles, or journals in English. Edit and revise your writing for clarity and coherence. Engage in public speaking. Join public speaking clubs and workshops. Practice speaking in front of a mirror or recording yourself. Receive feedback. Encourage others to provide feedback on your language use. Consider hiring a language tutor or teacher. Set goals. Define clear, achievable language learning goals. Regularly assess your progress and adjust your goals accordingly. Use technology. Make use of speech recognition tools, language learning apps, and online courses. Read aloud. Read books or articles aloud to improve your pronunciation and fluency. Travel or immerse yourself. If possible, travel to an English speaking country or immerse. You immerse yourself in an English speaking environment for a period. Body language and nonverbal communication. Understand how body language and nonverbal cues influence communication. Practice making appropriate eye contact and using gestures. Cultural awareness. Learn about English speaking cultures and customs to understand context and avoid misunderstandings. Slang and idioms. Familiarize yourself with common slang and idiomatic expressions. Use them appropriately in your conversation. Confidence building. Believe in your abilities and don't fear making mistakes. Mistakes are part of the learning process. Thank you for joining me on this journey to improve our communication skills in English. Thank you for choosing Roshni with Hina channel. Kindly share, like, and subscribe.